day in Shanghai, China, we are heading out to explore some of the shops, find something to eat, and explore the Bund. While we were on our way to find something to eat, we noticed just how many people was out here. We live in Oklahoma, so we don't see this many people every day. And this was giving us New York vibes with the amount of people and how many tall buildings there were. We ultimately decided that we wanted to eat at a hot pot, so we stopped at this restaurant named Yabaye Hot Pot. This was such a fantastic experience. We have never been to a hot pot, but we have had plans of trying one in the United States. And we basically thought that this would be a really cool thing to experience it in Shanghai, China first. After eating at Yabaye Hot Pot, we decided to walk to the Bund. The Bund is a famous waterfront promenade in Shanghai, China, and is known for its colonial era buildings and the amazing views. This area is so famous. It's such a famous tourist attraction, and there was, again, so many people, and there was a lot of shops on your way to the actual Bund area. And this is the actual famous Bund. Being that we were the only Black couples in about 99% of every establishment that we went into, we did get a couple of head turns and people that would come up to us to take pictures because they had never seen Black people before. So this felt out of the ordinary and a bit of a culture shock. It's now the next day, and it is our final day in Shanghai, China before we board our Royal Caribbean cruise to Japan. We got up bright and early for breakfast, and then we headed out to walk around town. We did notice that most things did not open until 10 or 11 a.m. So there wasn't much that we could do this morning. But on our way out, we noticed this beautiful park that had art displayed, so we had to take a look around.
We're on a drive to go to the cruise port for Royal Caribbean, Spectrum of the Seas.
Yes, and we are going to be headed to Japan. The first city is
Fukuoka.
And then next will be Nagasaki.
Yep, on day 3 and day 4. So we're on this long line trying to get us out. Sorry. They was like shouting at us saying tickets. Tickets.
Didn't know what was going on.
For real? Yeah.
There's a commotion, everybody yelling.
Yeah. All right. All right, let's get on. We're finally on board. Let's open it. Heavy. The light is green. Open it. Yeah, open it.
That's not doing it.
This is the front of the ship.
We don't have much footage for the first day on a cruise ship. All you're gonna see is us eating because that's pretty much all we did. Eat and sleep. We were still jet lagged.
Oh man. Oh, that's strong man. What's the next ship? What's up, baby? So right now we're in a room, and this is the first time I feel like I'm gonna get what you call it, seasickness or motion sickness? Seasickness, because we're in the. So I didn't know, and I got the room like literally in the front of the ship, and so I guess when I Google it, it says you feel it in the most in the front of the ship. So right now it's rough seas, and dude, we're feeling it. We're feeling it. So we're about to go to the room and chill up on the dock and stuff and walk around the ship. Hopefully, it ease down later on. So let's see. Yeah, you feel everything in the front of the ship. So don't get the front of the ship. It's a little windy today on board. Sea is rough and we have been rocking back and forth. Look at the pool water even splashing wildly. We get a little higher. See how low it is and how high it's been splashing. Look at that. It's super windy. So the deck has been closed. I want to go on that. Check that out. It goes over the sea. But I don't think they're operating it today. And we're gonna chill right here. This is indoors, so we don't get the rough wind, but we still get the rough shaking of the ship, etc. Right, day 2 of housekeeping.
We have arrived to the port in Nagasaki, Japan, and we are going to be taking a 6-hour guided tour today. We're going to be stopping at a couple of different spots and we're going to take you along with us.
Of course, I will ask. I respond to any question and any necessity that you have. Places have like many toilets, so don't worry about the toilets just in case. But if it's so urgent, we can do.
The entrance is like this one, but this is not the entrance.
We're going into the Atomic Bomb Museum right now, and we'll keep you posted for all the places that we're going to be visiting today. After entering the building, we noticed that there were dates on the wall. So they had dates on the wall to simulate going back in time as we went down the stairs. So everything in this room actually survived the bombing. So this is a shrine. This is where people come to pray. It is a part of the Buddhist religion. So they believe that God is in a lot of things like food, fish. So these fish are not touchable or eatable. It's probably why they're so big. They believe that the shrine is being protected by deities.
What do I do first?
Nice.
Help me.
Is it cold or hot?
It's cold.